This is the Nova Ben Storytime, presented by Stardust Studio 17. This is another episode in a series of moral stories from around the world. Hope you enjoy our efforts.
In a quaint little town nestled between rolling hills and babbling brooks, there lived a young woman named Emma. Emma was content with her routine, which revolved around the familiar sights and sounds of her hometown. She had never ventured beyond the boundaries of her cozy dwelling, finding comfort in the predictability of her daily life. One day, as Emma strolled through the town square, she overheard a snippet of conversation that would change her perspective forever. A group of lively travelers, with laughter in their voices and a sparkle in their eyes, spoke about the wonders they had witnessed in distant lands. Intrigued by their tales, Emma couldn't shake the idea that there was more to life than the confines of her familiar surroundings. That evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over the town, Emma pondered the words she had overheard. "If you never travel outside your door, you will never know the meaning of life," echoed in her mind. The phrase resonated with her, awakening a dormant curiosity that had long been suppressed. Driven by an unexplainable urge, Emma decided to embark on a journey of self-discovery. She packed a small bag with essentials and bid farewell to the only life she had ever known. As she stepped outside her door, she felt a mix of excitement and trepidation. Her journey took her through bustling cities, serene landscapes, and vibrant cultures. Along the way, Emma encountered people who shared their stories, dreams, and wisdom. She marveled at the diversity of the world and realized that life was a tapestry woven with the threads of shared experiences. As the seasons changed and landscapes morphed before her eyes, Emma discovered the true meaning of life. It wasn't confined to a single place or moment. It was a mosaic of moments, each contributing to the rich tapestry of existence. She learned that to live meant to embrace the unknown, to step outside the comfort zone and dance to the rhythm of life's unpredictable melody. Years later, Emma returned to her hometown, not as the girl who had left in search of meaning, but as a woman who had found it in the most unexpected places. The townsfolk, who had never left, marveled at the wisdom etched in her eyes and the stories painted on her heart. Emma realized that the true essence of living lay not in the destination, but in the journey itself. She had discovered the profound truth hidden in the simple phrase she had overheard years ago. If you never travel outside your door, you will never know the meaning of life. Know that you live, and not just exist.
Thank you for listening to Stardust Studio 17 Nova Ben Storytime series. We hope you enjoyed the story and we would like to bring you more. Let us know in the comments.